Welcome to FamilyHomePlans.com. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can do a search on our website. So there's a number of different options. You can do a quick search on our home page where you just enter the heated square foot, number of bedrooms, bathrooms, how many stories, and garage bays, and you can hit search plans. If you're more interested in advanced search or more information, you can click up here and search, and you can search for house plans, garage plans, multifamily plans, project plans. You can also see some saved results. You can see your previously viewed plans, look at a comparison, and more. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on the house plans button here under search, and it'll show you all the plans in our collection. If you scroll down, you'll see that there's 30,406 matching plans. Quite a few to look through. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to narrow this down a little bit. I'll select my low square footage, say 1,800 square feet, and then my high square footage. In this case, I think I'll do 2,200. And you'll see there's still about 5,600 plans available. That's quite a few to look through. That's going to take quite a while, so we can narrow it down a little bit more. We're looking for plans with 3, maybe 4 bedrooms, plans with at least 3 bathrooms. And you can see I've already narrowed it down to 525 plans. Now while 525 is still a good number I can look through pretty quickly, I want to narrow that down just a little bit more so it's a little easier to see. So I'll select plans with 3 car garages or more, and as you can see I'm down to 49 plans that match that criteria. Now I can click on search plans here on the side, and I'll load those plans. Before I do a new search, what I typically recommend is that you click on quick view to see the elevation, the floor plans, and any rear elevations that are available. You also see the specifications of that plan, the prices for that plan, and see what kind of foundation types are available. Let's say I found the plan on my first shot. I can add it to my cart, or I can look at more details if I'm interested in finding out a little bit more information. If this definitely isn't the plan for me, I can click the X at the top. I'm going to close that and come back to the search results. Alright, so these search results are looking pretty good, but let's say I need a little bit more definition in my search. I can click on advanced search here on the side, and what you could do here is you can specify the total or the maximum width and depth of the plan. This is for plans where you have a certain amount of size available on your lot with setbacks or other things like that, and so if you need a smaller floor plan, you can search for that there. You can also specify what type of foundation. Now you can modify any of the plans on our website to have a specific foundation that you need, but this can help you if you have a lot of results and you want to narrow it down and go for something with a little bit less expensive option. You can also specify wall type, garage type, whether it's attached, detached, a carport, drive under, or show all the plans available. And then there's other unique features as well, like formal dining room, fireplace, second floor laundry, first floor master bedroom, any finished basements, bonus rooms, and you can view plans with the materials list available, or plans that are available with a CAD file if you need to have engineering services done, or you'd like to make modifications to the plan. Now let's say I specify I have a max width of 65 feet, and a max depth of 70 feet. Now if I scroll up just a little bit, I should see that number repopulate, showing how many plans are available. Or I can click search plans and it'll show the available plans. In this case it's 25 plans. Alright, well it looks like that first plan I saw does meet those criteria, and that might be the plan for me. If it is, I can always add it to my cart, or I could save it to my plans collection by clicking on the heart right up here. But that's in another video. If you have any questions or you'd like to speak with someone on the phone, you can call us at 1-800-482-0464. You can contact us through our live chat here at the bottom of the page, or you can email us, which will be found in our contact form.